Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your Dell Inspiron 1564 with upgraded Wi-Fi module. I just bought this one, which promise basically to give to this laptop. Well, this laptop is 14 years old roughly, and as you can see, there was not 5G Wi-Fi on that time, so this new module is promising us to give us 5G, and as per manufacturer this was going out without any Bluetooth. So this module is promising also Bluetooth and 5G and 2.4 gig as well. So first of all, we need to remove those three screws. Then after, you pop out and unplug from the Wi-Fi connector. Unplug the battery. Basically, as you can see, I upgraded with an SSD hard disk. I bought a Samsung 250 gigabyte, which is very fast, guys. And I put 8 gigabyte of RAM, which is the maximum. This works with the DDR3. On eBay you can find it for €10 inclusive shipping for two modules, 4 giga each of them, for a total of 8 gigabytes. So the module we need to remove in this case is this one, and yeah, looks exactly the same, I guess. So basically we need to remove 1 and 2 pins, which is going inside until on top of the display, I guess, to reach a better connection. Basically is performed like this, and I can see there is just one screw in my case. I don't know if all the cases are the same or not. So let's go and proceed. I will just try to remove it gently. To be honest, I just removed those yesterday as well, because yesterday has arrived the paste for the CPU, and I just unscrew everything just with the main board on my hand, and I just put in fresh paste, and to be honest, it's making a big difference as well. So basically this is a laptop back in the days, is 14 years old, with not the best technologies for 2024. I'm just giving a chance to this laptop. I found on the street, to be honest. I just found on the street with the display cracked, but everything was in brilliant conditions. And so I was like, okay, I want to give a chance to this laptop to give another chance, you know. So what's the difference here? So in this case you can see there is a white dot and black dot. Here there is the instruction as well for white and black. Everything matches here, but for the new module is just saying 1 and 2. Basically number 1 is for the white wire and the black one is for the number 2 wire, so which will fit identically basically. So yeah, so I was saying I just found on the street, and yeah, I came back in my house, so I found on eBay the display for 30 euros, and now it's coming back, is working brilliant. Then after I bought this one from second hand for 25 euro, and the RAM I just paid 10 euro. And this module I bought from eBay from China for 7 euro roughly, or 6.50. Of course, the prices I'm talking about is all about with the shipping cost included. Yes, definitely. Okay. The screwdriver I am using, as there is no magnet on it, so it's a bit, how can I say, well, just try to screw not that much. Now just need to pop in back those pins. I think you need to do that gently, of course, because it's we are talking about technology. I feel comfortable to close straight away, but never say never. But hopefully, and finger crossed, everything is working fine. Yeah, after I finish here, I just want to talk about another solution I found, by the way, to perform those laptops with the 5 gigabytes. Well, basically, yeah, there is other systems to perform the 5 gigabytes on this laptop, but you just need to use the USB. You just need to use your USB, but I was very happy for that. I was using a USB Wi-Fi 5 gigabytes, and I was using another USB port for the Bluetooth, but I was not happy at all for that, to be honest. Not that much, because you know, sometimes you need to plug some pen drives or something else, you know. So I was like, okay, let me see if there is other chances for that. For some reason, which I don't know either, the screws are not collaborating at all this time. Not sure why. Oh yeah. I don't know what's wrong, but this screwdriver, I think I need to find another one, to be honest. So I bought from eBay as well the battery, because I found this laptop without the battery. You can find on eBay the 6 cells. I just paid 25 euros, and there is also an upgraded 9 cell which promise more battery life, performance. So yeah, I don't need that much of a battery, so I just was looking for a battery with a small price, brand new, to be honest, so which is nice. So this is the laptop. As you can see, it's very clear and shine. That's why I just was thinking to give another chance. Finnish keyboard, which I don't like because I live in Belgium. I need some few many accent. Yeah, so okay, let me try to just okay, this is back. I don't need for that for the moment. Let's see what happened here. You can see the performance of laptop as well. Yeah, so it's running with the Windows 10, is original licensed. So I think the previous owner switched with the, you know, back in the days, Windows was giving this opportunity to people. They were running Windows 7. Now we've got the Windows 10. So basically this laptop has a button to switch on and switch off the Wi-Fi. I was going on switch off because I was explaining you before I was using the Bluetooth module USB, and this is from TP-Link for 15 euros. You can buy on a store. Is promising you 5 gigabytes, 5 gigahertz, sorry. Let me see what happened. Well, we are setting up. Okay. But I can see here is displaying already. Wow, is in 5 gigabytes already. So I don't need to update my performance. Oh wow, I don't need to update the password. Oh, so it's set up and ready to go. Nice, guys. What about Bluetooth? I think we've got Bluetooth already as well. I think there is some issues for the Bluetooth, but I want to sort out. Let me see if internet is working or not. Well, at least internet working. Device manager was there, I think so. Yes. So I just need to go. Cameras, computer display adapters, no. Oh yeah, is this one. Was already here. It's just saying. Maybe. Let's see if Windows Update can help to reach our issue. Not sure on that, guys, but at least Wi-Fi is working, which is great. It's just not working the Bluetooth. I just want to sort out to see if I can find out the problem. I update on the video channel. I will update the code for this Wi-Fi board I just replaced. Thank you for watching.